Welcome to the Bearded Shark. Last week, Sean from Dunwell Tech Incorporated sent out this Dino-Lite digital microscope stand and diffuser for the channel as a donation. Really appreciate that. Today, we had our second Google meeting to go over all the features and one-on-one instructions. This microscope has quite a few features, and now I'm going to break away so you can see everything. First of all, this microscope is USB. Just plug it in your laptop or your desktop. And I have a cable running to the TV, so you have a 32-inch image. We're sitting on 49 times magnification. So I'll show you what we do here. Set 49. Come over here, we can draw. Go down, do this. This is curved part of blade, so let's put it close. Gives you measurement of it. Now I come up here, and I can type in a text box. Now this is a spider code, and it has never been sharpened. It's factory edge. With image, you see, I'm dialing in just a little bit more. I can also change for brightness and the contrast. See all the different settings here. Change the colors. Adjust it the way that you feel is the best image. The saturation of a color, the sharpness. I can also put it on monochrome. Takes all the color out of it. I found out a piece of horse butt rubber is the best to lay it on top of to get the best contrast. And then if you like that setting, you can go ahead and click current setting on Stardot. Now I'm going to enlarge this. Now everybody can really see a good image of this blade. That's 1.5 times magnification. And this is 2 times. And this is of original 49 times magnification. I think everybody can see the benefits of this microscope. Now we're going to pull this out. I'm going to show you another spider coat, paramilitary 2. And this one is an edge I have sharpened. Go ahead and clear out all the information here. We'll adjust this over a little bit. And you could see the edge on this. This is one I had sharpened. Notice you don't see hardly any scratches in this one. This is the Damascus knife that I recently made. We're going to get it fine-tuned and in focus. Hopefully everyone can see it's a pretty straight blade. Well, I hope everyone has seen the benefits of this microscope. If it's something you want to get, I'll have all the information in the description box. I'll be able to put stones on it. Be able to show everyone just all the details in these Arkansas stones, the diamond stones. You can't really see with your naked eye, but you'll be able to see with this microscope. You don't have to have a stand, and it will be set at 50 times magnification, and then it will be clear again at 200. If everyone's trying to enjoy all the things we'll be able to do with this in the future videos, I hope everyone learns. That's what I try to do. Dino-Lite digital microscope. They have all kinds. Till then, the bearded sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the bearded sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.